In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow responses in the ChatGPT app. If the app has been taking a long time to load a reply, these quick checks will help you get back to a smooth, fast experience without diving into anything complicated. First, start by fully closing the ChatGPT app. Don't just navigate away from it. Make sure it's not running in the background. Open your app switcher, find ChatGPT, and swipe it off the screen to shut it down completely. This forces the app to end any stuck processes and refresh its connection the next time you open it. It's a simple reset that often clears temporary glitches that build up as you jump between apps or switch networks during the day. Next, let's confirm your internet connection is solid. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and check that you're connected to a strong, stable network. Stability matters just as much as speed for apps that send and receive a lot of small requests. If your device shows weak signal strength or frequent drops, the app may struggle to load or respond. Make sure you're connected to the intended network and that the connection status looks healthy. Even small interruptions can cause noticeable delays inside the app, especially when it's trying to fetch content in real time. If you're currently on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. And if you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. This is a quick way to rule out issues with one specific connection. Sometimes a network that looks fine is congested or briefly throttled, and changing to the other option gives the app a cleaner path to the internet. This swap only takes a moment and is one of the fastest ways to isolate whether the slowdown is tied to your current network. If things are still sluggish, make sure the ChatGPT app is up to date. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon, scroll down to find ChatGPT, and tap Update if you see the option. App updates routinely include performance improvements and fixes for bugs that can cause slowdowns. Even a minor update can make a noticeable difference in how quickly the app starts, connects, and responds. These steps usually fix most slow response issues. By closing the app completely, verifying a strong connection, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and updating the app, you'll remove the most common causes of delays and get back to a faster, more reliable experience.